Now in this lesson, we're gonna be looking at how to elbow. Now elbows are probably one of my favorite strikes. Again, in close quarter range, if somebody grabs you, is pulling you, you're in range. So if I was to grab him here and pull, oof, right? If he came in, if I was pulling and he came in with that elbow, even my son who's 12 years old, how much do you weigh, Noah?
110.
110. That elbow, how he just stepped into it, he would do some damage, right? So if I'm pulling, come closer. If I'm here and you step in with that elbow, either here or come in with this or come up upwards this way, boom, you're doing a lot of damage, especially in close quarter range. So elbows are very, very effective. What we're gonna do in this video right now, in this lesson, we're gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna show you how to throw a simple elbow, stepping in. So from here, I step in and I'm elbowing here. Step in, elbow this way. My hand stays up here to protect my face when I'm elbowing. You could elbow up, you could elbow around, you could elbow over, you could elbow under. For right now, what I'm looking for is getting that motion properly, that as you elbow, you step in and you put your body into it. So Noah, I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer now. So get into here. Your hands are up from there. And when you're doing this, it's very important. You step in over here and your elbow comes here. Go. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a solid elbow, guys. That's very, very solid. Noah, go again. Now what I want you to do, hands back up, I want you to elbow with the outside. So you're gonna take a step and you're gonna elbow this way. Go. 1, good. 2, wow. 3, 4, 5, 6, good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, okay? So there's a lot of power behind those elbows. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the other side. So you're gonna put the other leg forward now. Okay, and the reason why I'm doing this, I'll be doing it in certain strikes and not others, is to just get you comfortable to be able to strike either or side. Obviously, you wanna train your strong side first, but we're gonna do a couple here. So now you're gonna step here and you're gonna go with this elbow over here. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful, good job now. Now, hands back up. You're gonna go from here to here, so stepping in this way. 1, good. 2. Now you can see 3. He's not being telegraphic. He's stepping in, boom, with the elbow right away, which is excellent. You don't want to pull the arm back because then you're going to be telegraphic. So step in, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, breathe, 9, 10. Great, good job, very good. So when you're elbowing, again, where you're elbowing into the head. Now anything I hit, here, doesn't really matter, right? You're still going to do a certain amount of damage. Again, for, if somebody's grabbing you, even my son, again, if somebody was to grab him, even somebody as big as me, he could defend himself easily by throwing those elbows. There's still enough power, as you can see from those elbows that he's striking the Bob dummy, still enough damage and power that you could do, again, to create distance, attention, noise, maybe a slight opportunity to escape and run. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you next time.